Welcome back to ISEE Algebra. Today we'll be covering substitutions. On the test, you'll be asked to substitute a given number for a variable. You will also be asked to complete substitution problems that use strange symbols. This is what a simple substitution problem might look like. If x equals 3, what is x plus 3? So, you simply replace 3 for x in that problem. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's try this next one together. If x equals 5, what is the value of 6x minus 20? Think in your head how you would write that equation. Okay, so you'll replace the x with 5, giving you 6 times 5 minus 20. Then you solve and get 30 minus 20, giving you 10. Let's look at this next one. For this one, we need to replace x with negative 2. Pause the video and write out the expression how you think it should be written out. So we get 3 times negative 2 squared, and I keep that negative 2 in parentheses because we're squaring the whole thing, including the negative, plus 4 times negative 2 minus 2. Now let's solve it. Remember, we need to follow the PEMDAS order as we solve these equations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. So 3 times 4, negative 2 squared, is 4, plus, now we can do some multiplication. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, minus 2. Now I'll do this last multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 8, minus 2, and I end up with 4 minus 2 equals 2. The ISEE and other standardized tests also like to have you do these substitution problems using strange symbols. You'll see that snowflake type symbol and think, I don't know what to do when I see that. But they'll use a lot of different strange symbols, all to just tell you substitution. So if we see for any number x, snowflake x equals 3x plus 2, what is the value of snowflake 3? It really just means substitute 3 for x in the expression. So we get 3 times 3 plus 2 equals 11. It's really just a substitution problem that uses a strange symbol to test your logic skills on the test. So for this one, for any number at n equals 4n minus 2. What is the value of at 3? So all this means is to substitute 3 for n. Try this one now. Okay, so we get 4 times 3 minus 2, which is 12 minus 2, which is 10. This next one is asking us to substitute two numbers. So the G refers to the 2 by the $sign, and the H refers to the 5. So it's really saying substitute 2 for G and 5 for H in the expression. Pause the video and try this one now. Okay, if we substitute 3 for H, we'll get 3 times 5, and then if we substitute 2 for G, we'll get 2 times 2 minus 3. So we have 15 plus 4 minus 3. This becomes 19 minus 3. So our final answer is 16. Let's try it with test questions. Okay, here is a simple substitution problem. You're substituting L for 18 and W for 10. Pause the video and try this one now. So when we substitute, we'll get 2 times 18 plus 10, which is really 2 times 28, and our answer is 56. Did you get that one right? This is a symbols problem, but it's slightly more complex looking than the other ones we've done. The equation it's showing us is 5 circles equals 2 triangles, and it says 1 triangle is 15. So, can you think about what you might need to substitute? You're substituting triangles for 15. So write out your equation with this substitution and try this one now. Okay, with this substitution, I'll get 5 circles equals 2 times 15. So 5 circles equals 30. 5 times what equals 30? 6. So our answer is 6. Each circle represents 6. Sign up for a course at the ISEEacademy.com to learn more and practice with test questions.